Hi, I'm Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and this is our brand new travel collection called Going Places. Let's take a look. Here you can see an overview of the patterns, all the fun, happy, bright colors. I love that we've got the pink mixed in with the navy blue. Just a really beautiful, versatile set of travel papers. This one here is so cute with all of the airplanes, the trains, you've got the taxis going through the city, and you even have cruise ships. Just a little something for everyone. The other side is this arrow print on tone-on-tone orange. Check out this flower paper with all of the cute colors. Isn't that adorable? The back side is this navy tone-on-tone map print. Our next paper has your luggage. We need luggage to go on a trip, right? I wish my luggage was this cute. And then the other side has this confetti, but it's in squares that are falling down. This paper's a lot of fun. It's got a lot of landscapes. You got the airport, the palm trees, the cacti, the cityscape, and then this orange arrow print. You can cut that apart and use it as borders, and then look at the other side, all these fun geotags. I love this word pattern paper, all those great colors on that navy background. Then the other side is cameras and suitcases and maps and passports, lots of fun things there. What do we do on trips? We take lots of photos, right? And here we have a bunch of vintage looking postcards of all the places we want to visit. The other side is this diagonal blue and white stripe. Here are the 4x6 elements. You can see some of them look like postcards, and then you have some really fun, happy, bright designs to record your vacation. The back side is this adorable floral on a navy blue background. This one here is our 4x4 elements paper. You've got your cruise ship, you're relaxing in the pool, maybe you're headed to see some homes here in maybe San Francisco. I love the taxi and the palm trees, and the other side is a bunch of passport stamps. These are our 3x4 elements. Again, more places to journal, lots of cute designs. This little guy in his floral shirt heading off to a tropical location. And then this multicolored diagonal stripe. Here are our 2x2 element cards. Lots of fun phrases. And then look at these fun airplanes on the back side. I love these tags, these travel tags, maybe tied on your suitcase handle. And then here are all the a tone-on-tone pattern in aqua. The globe, the camera, the luggage, lots of fun pieces. This paper reminds me of those stickers that you stick on a travel trunk or a suitcase to show all the places that you've been visiting. Then the other side is this fun diagonal red and white stripe. Let's hop into our embellishments and you can see more of the fun designs. I love the cute little people. They almost have a retro feel to them, really fun. You've got the cacti, the palm trees. This will represent almost any place that you like to travel. We have the geotag stencil, really cute. Love the stamps with this set, the airplane and the little cloud that you can stamp all around, the luggage, really fun. Here's the 4x6 sticker book. Lots of fun phrases and labels. Great to use in your projects. Maybe you like to create traveler's notebooks, and that would be a fun one to take along. Here we have the new brads. I love this one with the globe. Really cute. Here are the washi tapes. We've got the florals, the square confetti dot, and the passport stamps. Here's the enamel dots with our navy, the coral. We've got the lime green, the aqua, and the orange. 2 sets of bits and pieces with this stamp, or with this collection. Take a look at all the designs there, the little couple on their ride, the cars, all the different cityscapes. Lots of great things to play with. Here are the journal bits. I love that New York apple there on the front, but you can see we represent lots of other places to visit as well. You've got Hawaii and Italy and Mexico, Australia, China.
Anita would like some help.
Here's our 6x8 paper pad. Take a flip through there. The great thing about our paper pad is you've got these nice large designer papers that are perfect to use in your 6x8 snap binders, but we also have the 3x4 cards that are exclusive to the paper pad. So these ones are different than the ones on the element sheets. Here are the snap cards, 72 total pieces. You get 48 3x4 cards and 24 4x6. Here's a peek at all the designs. Lots of great places to journal because you got lots of stories to tell about the fun you've been having. You can see that our teal Color Vibe foam alpha stickers coordinate perfectly with this collection, but we also have foam titles that go with this collection. I love this font, it's so sweet, and I love how thin and cute it is. Not only do you get the phrases, but you get lots of great little icons to add into your projects, like the arrows and the airplane, the stars and the heart. And you have a whole backside as well. Finally, here is a look at the chipboard stickers. You got the girl riding her scooter, the taxi, the boy getting ready to hop onto the airplane. They're going to have a great trip. And so will you when you use the Going Places collection to record your next vacation.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.